What up, players? So, Bethel's freaking harness finally came in, and we're about to start checking it out. We're about to open the box. It's right there next to Nova. But we're about to open it up and see.
The best parts right here.
See, here's the computer. Freaking harness. So we're gonna get this thing opened up right now so we could checking this thing out.
Right there.
All right, players.
Time to tear up a new.
Time to tear Bethel a new ass.
And so if you're all that.
I don't know where we're gonna mount this. I mean, make the hole yet. Bethel wants to make it like right here, but I wanted to make it back here so it's less visible. But Bethel doesn't want to mess up the new panel, so I don't know. I mean, it's his car, it's his decision anyways. So wherever you make this hole, it's gonna be there forever. Like,
I know, well,
what do you think then?
I think right here. I just don't want to freaking. Why would I put a new hole in that shit? It needs to be detailed.
All right, guys, we taped it up a little bit just so the paint doesn't kind of get messed up if we mess this up, but pretty much the hole is gonna be like around right there.
I wasn't even recording. I just started recording.
That's the first layer of Bondo we just got through. Now we just hit metal.
5 more to go. What the fuck?
What is that?
What the fuck?
Second layer?
Open it.
Look at it. Hold on, let me get a screwdriver.
The fuck is that?
See, move?
Oh god damn, that shit's hot. That's just carpet. You can move that.
Is it carpet?
Yeah. Fool.
Look how much Bondo's on there. Holy fuck.
At least give it a clean cut.
Like it cut, G.
Oh.
Well, that's why I wanted the tape there.
Bet you it still went through the tape. And if it did, we'll grab the good old Sharpie.
Freak. All right, guys. Nice
Got a hole now.
Nice and full of Bondo. That's how we do it here. Let's take this bad boy out.
Let's see if the fucking tape saved
Now
the
the tape.
firewall.
Now the tape is gonna pull off the paint.
Oh, nice. Freaking tape did a good job right there.
Nice and strong tape. Sponsored by 3M. All right, guys. So got that hole in. You can see where even it's up there. Wait, can you see it? Do it again. Yeah, there it is. So we're gonna start feeding the harness through the inside, and I'm gonna show you guys maybe how to do it the easy way, because I mean that's a bunch of shit to fit through this 2-inch hole. So yeah. All right, guys, so we're starting to pass this harness through the firewall. It's gonna be kind of hard to see since Bethel has a lot of wiring down here, but I'm gonna pass him the camera so you guys can see him pulling out through there. Hold on.
Oh no, you're gonna.
All right, that was pretty much all the engine bay side of the harness. You can see how much actually has to be plugged in out here. And then the inside, you still have pretty much this is the 2 main bulk plugs that go to the computer. This is like your little harness for like, you got like the fuel pump relay and ignition, all that other stuff. And then you got your underdash wiring, your ground, and something over here. Oh, the little sensor, the OBD2 plug for you to plug the scanner in and stuff. For now, we're gonna try to get that little grommet hooked up. So sometimes it could be a pain to get it in there, but we'll show you guys right now what it looks like.
You don't want to wait until we fucking
actually
see how much length we got over here.
It'll be
So we
smart
see how
to
much
like
room we
start
can play
plugging
with.
all this stuff in and see how much we actually need out here. So All right, guys, we're kind of just figuring out like which side goes which, and I think we got it now. It's gonna be hiding pretty much behind this big ass intake, and we pretty much got it down to this side. Like these are all these little green ones are for the injectors. This is the coil pack one, and then Bethel's got a bunch more stuff on that side. So we're gonna start plugging things in. I'll just show you a couple little plugins here.
We're gonna plug and hope for the best.
Yeah, hopefully we're doing this right. So we got one plugged in there. One of the injectors plugged in.
I'm sure this is the alternate one.
I got another injector.
Fits like a
So this is pretty much what we're gonna be doing, plugging in all these little sensors and stuff, and we'll get back to you guys when it's almost all plugged in. All right, guys, good progress so far. We pretty much plugged everything in on both sides. What this side is missing is the water sensor. So he doesn't actually have one right now. It's kind of just plugged up, but so there's a few things he has to still go out and buy, I mean. So that's gonna be one, the water sensor. The next thing is we gotta block off this little thing right here because this is not gonna be used anymore. He already bought this little EGR block off plate, the little Chevy logo, but this one you gotta block that too.
This is going to the fucking MAF sensor.
This is gonna be his MAF sensor. So once we hook up his intake, actually, where is the intake? You have it? So this is gonna just hook up to that, the mass airflow. This side's all hooked up. We got this plugged in up here. All of these are pretty much plugged in the back. And so also what he needs to buy is his O2 sensors. So he's got this side and that side to hook up still. And then right now what we're about to do is hook these up to his starter.
Just run it like this or what?
Unicorn horn. But yeah, look, this is where this one's gonna plug into here. This one here, so that's that. There's two that go to the tranny that we're gonna get under the car and hook up right now. But so far, as plugging everything out in the engine bay, it's pretty good. So next we're gonna probably get the little grommet in here and set this in place so we could start messing with the inside wiring and maybe try to mount up the computer and stuff for today. Pretty simple so far. I mean, the outside is the easiest part, just plug and play. And then routing everything nice and neatly on the inside is usually the harder part since it's so crammed down there, but we'll keep you guys updated. Back to HD. Well, Beto doesn't know his own fucking sizes sockets yet, so I have to get back up and go get him a different one. All right, this is his fourth time asking for a different size socket. Let's see if it's right this time.
Fourth time. This is the second time.
He's taking off the starter because it's hard as hell to reach that sensor.
Oh my god.
This one here. And we gotta plug this into there. But our hands don't fit in there, so what size is it?
5/8.
Fit? Alright, 4 times the charm, I guess. Look at those headers though. Have you looked online to see if your stock shifting linkage is gonna work? You gotta
I
find
don't even
something.
think online would show that information. I gotta go to the legends on Facebook. On a group.
You gotta go through the files on the freaking forum. Beto's spoiled with the fucking Milwaukee tools. He can never work without anything automatic. He can never use a just hand ratchet because he's lazy. That's how he strips bolts. Look at him.
I'm not lazy, I just
Work smart.
work smart.
Let's see, where the hell are you?
I was looking for the camera.
Alright guys, so yeah, we pretty much got as much as we could on the outside plugged in, which is nice. Everything lines up well, the wiring's not kind of all over the place. And right now we're gonna get some progress on the inside and we'll show you guys that. Alright guys, so we put the little rubber on and it's still, we kind of fucked up the firewall a little bit, so here's what we're doing, some bootleg
Fred thinks he's a fucking pinstriper
spray
now.
can and a freaking cap.
What can't you do, man? Just tell me.
I ask myself that question every morning.
Apparently not gonna fucking hole in a firewall without
Apparently-
fucking up my firewall.
Apparently can't paint either. Ooh,
Should leave that to Big Waddle.
ooh. Ooh, you would have never even noticed.
If you guys see me in public, do not call me out about that little scratch.
Ooh, good as new, I guess. Can't complain. When you don't pay your brother to do this wiring for you, it's free. Sometimes shit like this
Comes
happens.
with a little damage just so you get even.
If you're not a paying customer, this is what happens. That's why you gotta pay up. All right, guys. I didn't know Beto had like a little hidden tunnel through here. So, I mean, this is gonna work out perfectly. We're just gonna run everything to that side. I'm gonna pass them it.
And now I got to pull the box again up.
Here, try to pull the thing. Go down there. Oh yeah, we gotta mount his Dakota box too.
Fucking mess over here.
We pushed the car forward so we could open the doors. Beto's trying to say just act like we started it and drove it forward, but he's just trying to get his own hopes up.
Can a man dream around here?
So we got the freaking stuff on this side. Oh, I gotta grab the little computer. I don't know if maybe I'm gonna try to make Beto just buy the little mounting box for it because that's what I have in mind.
That's what you're not gonna do.
But he's not willing to spend freaking $5 anymore, at least on this car. But yeah, we're gonna figure out. I gotta remount the Dakota box somewhere, and then this shit's all a mess. I gotta fucking clean all this shit up. But yeah, so I mean, I'm gonna show you guys the final product of when we mount the stuff, just so it's less boring video. And yeah, these are his TikTok LED lights, so follow his TikTok. But yeah, I'll show you guys what we do next.
Fuck, this shit's huge.
That's what she said.
Let me see, test them out.
Blow the junior teeth.
You're a V8. Let me see you do it. What is that? What is this? Sounds like the church.
Fucking church be like.
What, 2.5?
Yeah.
2.5 too small.
Nova.
Damn! I just spent my freaking left nut at all of them, buying all the fluids.
He bought for his car. He sat still.
Now in traffic.
Hell in the